everyone. We're gonna do the rice noodles or rice sticks. Basically, I bought them at Safeway. You can buy them at Safeway, and these are like you don't have to cook them. You just put them in the hot water. Okay, as I was saying before, these rice noodles or rice sticks. I already have hot water for them. Just boiled hot water. I'm just gonna put them in and leave them there for 10 minutes and then drain the water. In the meantime, I'm gonna stir fry the mushrooms. When I stir fry these for a little bit, I'm gonna add my bell pepper in it. So my mushrooms are halfway done. I think I put a little bit too much oil, but since I'm adding other veggies, which is bell pepper, two different kinds, the yellow and the orange one, and it's cool. The oil will dissolve a little. And then I'm just going to add the rice noodles after this is fried a little. So it has been 10 minutes and my rice noodles are done. I'm just going to drain them and add them to the veggies, which is bell peppers and mushrooms. These are done too. I'm going to add some spices to this, and I'm going to show you which kind, which I always use the same kind of spices that I'm going to use, which is garlic salt, Mrs. Dash, black pepper, paprika, and lemon pepper. I might add some fresh garlic to it too. Depends how it tastes. My rice noodles are drained rice noodles. I'm going to add into this. Rice noodles are mixed with my vegetables, which is mushrooms and bell peppers. It's ready to eat. We're ready to eat. This is for dinner. Yep. Looks delicious. Love these little noodles. Okay, my rice noodles are done. Tilapia is done. That's from another video. I have a tilapia video. And here's my taster that's gonna taste
for me.
This. Yeah, for you.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
So the rice noodles are really good, but I bet it'll be better with some tilapia.
Yeah, we did tilapia in another video, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Tastes good? You like it?
Yeah.
Thumbs up? Like and subscribe.
Yeah. Be sure to like and subscribe and go check out my videos at Ari Ferrari full caps
On YouTube.
on YouTube, yeah. So
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Till next time. Bye.
Oh.
Do it again.